Hi guys, it's Melody Lane, and today there is another mystery box. This is digital mystery box. What that means is you get it instantly. There's no shipping, there's no waiting, there's no downloading. You just have to sign into your Design Space account after you purchase it with the link in the description below. Let's go find these to see what's included. If you do not buy this mystery box with all of these image sets, you cannot even see them in your Design Space. They are not in access and will never be in access. So now once you purchase the box, you do not have anything that says digital mystery box or Disney mystery box in Design Space. You have to look up each image set. That's how you see all the image sets you own. So let me show you how to find these. So click on images. Now, we're going to go to image sets. If you're on a mobile device, click on highlighted categories, and then you will have these 4 options and click on image sets. Now, if you have already purchased it and you don't own a lot of image sets, you can click on ownership and click on purchased. I have 474 image sets. This is one of them in the mystery box, but going through these are not going to help me because I have too many to go through. So let's find these. So I'm going to search just up. 2 of the image sets have the word up in them. Oh, look. There's a lot of other ups. Okay, here's one, Disney Up Printables. This one is for printing only. There's 17 images, and if you or any of your family or friends love this Up movie, these are awesome. So cute. You can make so many different things with these. Okay, let's go back. Let's search Disney Up and see what that brings up. Oh, it still brings up these. It's going to bring up everything Disney and Up, so I'm going to just search Up. And here's the other Up one. Disney Up 33 images. These are not printable. There's badges and so many things. All right, now let's go back, click on image. So we saw the first 2, now let's look for alphabet. So what I'm gonna do is go up here and search. No, it won't let us because we're in. If I search anything here, it's going to search inside this cartridge. So I'm going to click back and get rid of the up and hit alphabet. And we're going to look for Disney alphabet. We could click here and click purchased. So it will only show you the alphabet ones that you have purchased. And there's more than one letter because there's 42 images. So there's more than one S. But I love how these are, like this is for Mickey, this is for Buzz, and our favorite snowman, Olaf. You can click on the little eye to tell you from Lady and the Tramp. It will tell you what that letter is for. There's another M. Tigger. So there's those. And the last one is called Totally Mickey. And it's this one right here, Disney Totally Mickey, 26 images. Look at this one. I love him with the glasses. And look at these faces. I just love these faces. Love these. It looks like some old and new ones. And I wanted to show you this. They make this perfect for iron-on. And I haven't checked this one out. Let's bring these both into our canvas. Okay. So this has 3 images. I'm going to ungroup it. So you can just do this black image, or you can also do these. You can change the colors of these if you want. And this one, if you ungroup it, you see that through it. They do this so you can cut it out of iron-on and put it on a shirt without having too many layers. This one you also don't have more than 1 layer because it does not go on top of anything. So they really thought this out for us. So here's the name of the cartridges to look up after you've purchased it. If you click my link, it helps me out a lot. My discount code does not work on digital images, so it will not work on this box. And remember, there's no waiting. Once you buy it, you have the images to start using right away. If you like mystery boxes, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I do a video showing you what's in the mystery boxes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Design Space class, Saturday mornings, 11 a.m. Eastern.